Hi! My name is Marv, and ako ang inyong magiging trainer. In this video, you will learn kung paano mag-navigate sa seller dashboard. Bakit ba natin kailangan matutunan kung paano mag-navigate sa seller dashboard? Dito nyo makikita ang lahat ng kailangan ninyo as a seller. You can check your sales statistics, view your pending and completed orders, and change information about your products. Other functions ng inyong dashboard ay pag-manage ng inyong earnings, contacting our administrators, and of course, checking your monthly statistics. Once na makapag-login na gamit ang inyong credentials, ito ang una ninyong makikita. Ito ang tinatawag naming seller panel or seller dashboard. Dito nyo makikita ang pangalan ng inyong store at may 4 other items na pwede ninyong galawin, which are the administration, the notification bell, and the account icon, lastly, the cart icon. Click administration to add your shipping methods and kung gusto ninyong mag-import ng mga bagong produkto. Next is the notification bell. You can check all the new updates for your store. Beside the notification bell, ang account icon naman. This is where you can update your account information. Just click edit profile. And lastly, the cart icon. Pag once na clinic nyo ito, this will allow you to go sa inyong storefront. Ito yung mga nakikita ng mga customers. Moving on to the store operations or store operations bar, which is located directly under ng top bar. So, bali, ito sila. You will see 5 options, which are orders, products, customers, website, and sellers. Click orders kung gusto ninyong makita yung sales reports and gusto ninyong i-manage ang shipments. Click products para makita ninyo ang categories and of course to manage your stores. Meanwhile, the customer option allows you para makipag-usap or communicate sa inyong mga customers. The website option allows you to view product reviews, page comments, and more. Lastly, the sellers option lets you view store administrators, control your accounting, and kung gusto niyo makipag-communicate sa aming mga admin. Lastly, to monitor your shop's performance during a specific time period, click the period on the upper right corner of your page and choose the preferred time from drop-down menu. You may view only today's performance, yesterday's performance, and up to last year. So in this example, wanting to see January 26 up to this date, and click apply. Ensure that you will click custom range on the drop-down menu and select the dates that you want to see. After you choose a specific time period, dito nyo na makikita ang updated report na inyong pinili. And that is how you navigate sa aming seller panel.